Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Let's launch the app first. Let's click on the profile icon on the lower right corner. When you launch the profile icon, you will see that on the lower end of the profile settings, you will have the option to turn off professional mode. This is right above your profile link. So if you actually click on this one, you will get the option, and it will say that you need first of all to review important changes before you turn off professional mode. If you change your mind, you can turn on professional mode anytime. So you want to make sure that you are aware what will actually change in your settings and the functions that you usually use through your current professional mode. Because if you go on your account and if you see that you don't have the option to turn it off, this means that you're currently not in professional mode, which essentially accomplishes your goal. Subscribe and come back for more, guys.